What if I told you that some of the world's biggest breakthroughs came from people who basically said, forget everything we know and start it over? That's first principles thinking, and it's simpler than you think. So here is how it works. First, you strip everything down to what you absolutely know is true. Like, forget all the rules and assumptions everyone else follows. Just get to the raw facts. Then, and this is where it gets interesting, you question literally everything. Why do we do it this way? Says who? What if that's completely wrong? Finally, you rebuild the whole thing from scratch using only those basic truths you found. Take Elon Musk with rockets. Everyone said rockets are expensive, period. But he didn't accept that. He looked at the raw materials, basically just aluminum and fuel, and thought, wait, this should cost way less. So he rebuilt the entire concept and created SpaceX. The crazy part of first principles thinking is you can use this for anything. Thanks for watching.